Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, yeah, we're gonna start off by cutting up this squash. Of course, we're gonna get off the end. Now, look here. We cutting this kind of thick, y'all. Figure about 1 inch thick. So let's go and get it sliced up. Now before I forget, don't you forget, give your boy that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that bell too while you here. Now after we got them all cut up, it's time to rain on. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper, fresh of course. And for me, a little bit of that cayenne, y'all. That cayenne. Now in our cast iron pan, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, my heat is up at medium, just a little bit above medium. Not medium high, kind of in between. And we're gonna get this butter all melted down. And once the butter is melted down, we're gonna get in our squash out. Season side down. And once we get our squash all in, let's go and rain on them once again. Hit them with some salt, some fresh pepper, and some cayenne. Now we're going to be cooking these for 2 to 3 minutes per side, depending on the size of your squash. And this is what we're looking for, that color right there. So let's get these flipped on over and get that other side started. Now after this side cooks for about 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna add in a half a cup of water and get our lid on top, and that's gonna allow everything to steam and finish cooking. Oh yeah, we ready to eat now, y'all. We ready to eat. You only need to let that steam for about 1 to 2 minutes. And let's get our squash on out that skillet, y'all. And once it come out that pan, I like to hit mine with a little bit of basil. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and cut into it. See what she tastes like. Look at that good color on it. Oh my goodness. I already know it's good. I already know it's good. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.